Kalyan Jewellers expands aggressively, strong growth across India or overseas. Kalyan Jewellers has started FY27 on a strong note with an impressive business update for the first quarter. The company reported consolidated revenue growth of approximately 38% compared with the same period last year. The performance becomes even more noteworthy because the entire 28-day Adhik Maas period fell during the quarter. Traditionally, wedding-related jewelry purchases slow down during this period in several parts of India. Despite this seasonal impact, Kalyan Jewellers maintained strong business momentum. This reflects healthy consumer demand and the strength of the company's brand across key markets. India remained the biggest growth driver during the quarter. Domestic operations also reported revenue growth of more than 38% compared with Q1 FY26. One of the strongest indicators was the same-store sales growth of around 28%. This means existing stores generated significantly higher sales without depending only on new showroom additions. Healthy same-store sales growth is an important metric for retail businesses. It reflects genuine improvement in customer demand and operational performance. Another key highlight was the company's Shine with India Gold Recirculation campaign. The initiative was launched during the second half of May. The campaign encourages customers to exchange old gold jewelry. This helps reduce dependence on imported gold while supporting domestic gold recycling. Management indicated that the campaign has received an encouraging response from customers. The share of recycled gold increased to more than 46% of total revenue during Q1 FY27. The trend became even stronger during June. Recycled gold contributed more than 55% of revenue for the month. For investors, this initiative could provide multiple benefits. Greater use of recycled gold may improve inventory efficiency and reduce exposure to imported gold prices over time. The company's international operations also delivered a strong performance. Overseas revenue increased by approximately 35% year-on-year. The Middle East business reported revenue growth of around 30%. This was achieved despite geopolitical tensions affecting customer footfall during April. This performance highlights the resilience of Kalyan's international operations. The company continues to maintain healthy demand across its overseas markets. International markets contributed nearly 14% of consolidated revenue during the quarter. This diversification reduces dependence on a single geography. Another major highlight came from Candere. The company's digital-first jewelry platform recorded exceptional revenue growth of approximately 112%. This was the fastest-growing business segment within the group. The strong performance reflects rising consumer acceptance of online jewelry purchases. Digital channels are becoming increasingly important for jewelry retailers. Younger consumers are more comfortable researching and purchasing jewelry online. Candere allows Kalyan jewelers to capture this growing customer segment. It also complements the company's large physical showroom network. Expansion remained another focus area during the quarter. The company opened 12 new Kalyan showrooms across India. In addition, 5 new candere stores were launched. This demonstrates management's confidence in both its offline and digital retail strategies. As of June 30, 2026, Kalyan Jewellers operated a total of 524 showrooms globally. The network includes India, the Middle East, the United States, the United Kingdom and candere outlets. A larger retail network strengthens the company's market presence. It also creates additional opportunities for future revenue growth. Management has also expressed confidence about the current quarter. The company expects festive demand and the upcoming wedding season to support business momentum. Fresh jewelry collections and new marketing campaigns are also expected to attract more customers. Seasonal demand traditionally remains strong during the second half of the financial year. For investors, the biggest takeaway is that growth remained robust despite an unfavorable wedding calendar. This demonstrates the underlying strength of the business. However, investors should continue monitoring operating margins and profitability. Revenue growth is encouraging, but earnings growth ultimately drives long-term shareholder returns. The jewelry industry also remains sensitive to gold prices and consumer sentiment. Any sharp fluctuations could influence future demand. Overall, Kalyan Jewellers has delivered an impressive operational update for Q1 FY27. Strong revenue growth, healthy same-store sales, rapid expansion of candere and continued showroom additions reflect solid business momentum. If festive demand remains healthy and execution continues at the current pace, the company appears well positioned for another strong financial year. The company's continued showroom expansion reflects management's confidence in future demand. A wider retail network also helps improve brand visibility across existing and new markets. India's organized jewelry industry continues to gain market share from the unorganized sector. Trusted brands with transparent pricing are benefiting from this long-term industry shift. Investors should also monitor the growth of candere over the coming quarters. Continued strong digital adoption could become an important earnings driver for the company. Another key factor to watch will be the upcoming festive and wedding season. Strong consumer demand during this period could further support revenue growth and store productivity.